actually calling for Yolanda, and today we wanted to meet just to set expectations and to get you guys all on the same page with regards to the software, calls, and how you guys are going to be talking to each other and reporting. All right?
Okay.
Sweet. So, Asia, do you want to start with the software side of things, and then I can get into like Discord and all that?
Yeah, do you want me to do a demo? Like a quick
Oh, yeah.
demo, or just explain it
Do
from an umbrella perspective?
do a small umbrella description, go to KPIs, and then do software.
All right, so Yolanda, May, a quick recap. We're calling real estate leads, more specifically distressed sellers. So the distressed sellers are going to come in the form of pre-foreclosures. By definition, these are people who are behind on their mortgage payment. We have some tax liens, divorce, and some other lead types within there. We'll come across all different property types, single family residence, multifamily, commercial, mixed, you name it, we'll come across it. Our duty is to reach out to these individuals, and first, we'll offer them options on how to save their home. Some of these options are loan modifications, reinstatements, repayment plans, forbearance, and we can get into what all these mean in a few, but these are some of the services we'll offer. And then through process of elimination, if none of those work for them, then we'll go ahead and we'll buy their house. So some of the software, some of the processes, where we get our data from is directly from the state. So there is a website called NJ List Pendens. List Pendens is Latin for lawsuit pending. I'll source data from there. I'll also source data from PropStream if ever we're low on the NJ List Pendens side. And then I'll take all that and I'll put it in a database that we come to know as REI Sift. Yolanda, I think you've even demoed it at one of the C3 sessions.
Yeah, I
Right?
did.
Perfect. So we'll call that our database for layman's terms. And then in order to do the outreach or the marketing, we have an emphasis on cold calling, although we do voicemails, text messaging, and even mailers from time to time. But again, primarily cold calling. So in order to do that, we use a software called Smartphone. The reason we do that is because it perfectly integrates with Sift, and there's a lot of cool features that feed back and forth. So that kind of leads into tracking. Two really big cool things on tracking is call recordings. So anytime you have a good phone call, a good lead, a good follow-up, if you would like for me to pull that recording and give it back to you for training purposes, we can go ahead and do that. And then from a KPI perspective, that's key performance indicators. We're also tracking all the key metrics from how many prospects you've called, how many leads you've gotten, how many appointments you've gone on, etc. Now within the bomb squad, we have quotas, and that's how we keep each other accountable. So for example's sake, say you had to call 100 prospects in a week, we can pull up a dashboard and we can filter it to make sure that you're on track or you're off track.